What in the world's going on here? There's a hammer, a bag, and my elves on the shelf. Oh, okay, they have a note for us. Let's see what it says. Let's break it open. Will there be a surprise inside? Let's see what this is. Okay, so it says, break open geodes, find the hidden crystals. Wow, let's take a look at this. So there's supposed to be hidden crystals inside this? Oh boy, this should be interesting. Oh, the poor elf fell over. Well, let's crack this open and see what we find inside. Oh boy, this is gonna be tricky, isn't it? Let's open it up and find the hidden crystals. Boy, this is so hard. I had no idea it was gonna be this tricky. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, I've been hammering for hours now, and there's a little crack, so I'm hoping this last hit is gonna do it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it worked. Okay. Oh, look at the crystals. They're so magical. Do you think whenever the elves touch them, maybe they made all this magical glitter crystals? Well, if you like this video, down below, you're welcome to like it. Subscribe to my channel, become a member of the Spirella family, where you can see more crazy and silly things my elves on the shelf do. Well, thanks so much for watching, and as always, I love my elves on the shelf.